Hi, how are you? This is Sumit from Indian Institute of E-commerce. Today I'm bringing a business opportunity that's of instant foods. And instant food is a global market and we can supply from India to the entire world using e-commerce marketplaces such as Amazon and Flipkart and many more marketplaces like that. Not only that, we can also utilize our own e-commerce store. I'll give you a ready-made plug-and-play business opportunity, and I will also give you the supplier's contact. I'll give you the ongoing mentorship and support so that you can simply get started with this instant foods e-commerce business. You don't have to buy anything, I'm telling you. Simple ready-made business opportunity. There's a supplier who has got instant foods. We have to just make an e-commerce store and we have to start getting orders. I mean deals in the international market. And one deal itself can generate so much of revenue that even if you are working in some company or you're trying to build your e-commerce business or any business for say, this can be that business opportunity that can transform your life completely. You do not have to do anything apart from this. So stick with me for the next few minutes in this video and I'll be showing you exactly how to do it. Let me quickly show you one website, that is noon.com, and I just wrote instant mixed food, and in this you can see that Indian food such as MTR, dosa, MTR, gulab jamun, these are all what MTR's food are ready-made instant food. Same with Rakuten, if you see here also you see a lot of instant food. Lazada also has, this is China's website and this is Singapore's website, this is Japan's website, and Etsy is a global website, and all these are instant food which people are buying. Same if you see Amazon.com, here you will see something interesting. At 5,000 people have paid for this instant food, 4,000 at $9, 5,000 sales at $20, 4,000 at $4, 1,000 at $20, 20,000 at $11. Just think the amount of business they're generating every single month. If you see that what I am showing you right now and the amount of revenue that you will be able to calculate, these all businesses are generating close to $100,000 plus in revenue every single month. So if you have a store in e-commerce portal like this and you're able to sell products in such quantity, even you can make great amount of profits. But the thing is, people do not know how to utilize e-commerce properly. That's what I'm going to teach you with my plug and play ready-made e-commerce store, where I'm going to give you ready to eat instant food mixes and you can start making profits. I will be guiding whom to click and how to sell it. The whole ecosystem will be there for you so that you can 50 to 60 profits people are doing easily in this instant food business. You can do it. And what you are seeing is the commerce, and what you are seeing is my content that you can utilize to make sure that you are successful. So everything is a plug and play business I'm giving you, and this is giving you the mentorship plus also the product from the e-commerce store builder, everything as an integrated platform. This is my own e-commerce store. This is my revenue for the lifetime, and I'm just showing you my analytics now. So these are my number of sales per day and the average sales that I'm doing on a monthly basis, and these are my statistics. Same way, if you see the plugins on all, there are many softwares and tools that I'll be giving you in the ready-made e-commerce store. So this is going to be a fully functional ready-made business. So what you are getting from me, you are getting from me a complete end-to-end mentorship program. You're going to master the art of digital marketing and online sales, will become certified e-commerce professional. You will get all the 17 certificates that you're seeing right now. This itself is valued a few lakh rupees. Everything is part of the same program. You don't have to pay anything extra for this. You will get the main certification from IIC that is going to be globally valid. You will get 17 more certifications. You will get fully practical training. This is an all-in-one program. That means you will be getting everything from our side only. The training, mentorship, recorded content, live classes, instructor-led training, and practical e-commerce store with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. So many different expert mentors who are there with IIC. So anyone can join this program. Even if you're a student, even if you're a working professional, business owner, you can join this program. You can make a highly successful career as certified e-commerce professional. And you're also going to get the recorded content, what I'm showing you. This also comes with video lectures and ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, and many different formats of content so that you can build a highly successful career. And this Indian Institute of E-commerce, this has got complete affiliations from government, Ministry of Education, etc. and Tata Group, Amazon, Alibaba, World Trade Organization. We all have partnered with Indian e-commerce. These are some of my own credibility where I have previously worked with many successful entrepreneurs across India, and This is how I can confidently say you that even you can start your successful e-commerce business with IIC. And I have been the program director for Alibaba Group China and program director for Amazon ATS program by IIC. And with all my experience in the last 10 years, whatever I have learned in entrepreneurship and e-commerce business, everything I'm guiding you so you can also start your e-commerce business very easily with us. So what you are getting, as I told you, that in this ready-made plug and play business opportunity, you're getting the store builder, you're getting everything. This is worth investment because what you're investing is you're investing in on your own self, you're investing in your own future, because this store will be with you. You can build it, you can scale the business, you can make sales, and you can make money. As you already saw that many sales are happening, right? So even if you can list these products and start selling, you'll start making great amount of profit. Many of my students are making a minimum of 8 to 10 lakh rupees per month by following the process and the step-by-step method. Same way you can do, you can also make very good success in the e-commerce business, that is especially for ready-to-eat products like this. And as I told you that this entire program is non-technical, that means to build this website, you do not have to put efforts in terms of designing or anything. Because what you're seeing right now, this is all like a plug and play model. You simply have to list whatever you like. And that also under your own domain name, under your own brand name, and you can also upload your own staff members if you want. So why I'm recommending you to start your own e-commerce? Because this is something which single person can do. It's a single business for you. Once you start generating good amount of profit, you can then get full time into this. This is how you can switch your career from a job to business, and then you can fully live your life as you want it to live. This is my opportunity for you. So join me and become a successful e-commerce entrepreneur with IIS.